Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a bank in your PayPal account. So first of all, to link your bank to your PayPal account, log into your account in PayPal. Now after that, go to the wallet section and click on link a card, which will be your bank card. Now you can enter your card number, its expiration date, and its CVV and everything necessary. After giving out your card information, click on link card, which will now link your bank and PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you can link your PayPal with bank. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.